Hello and welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's video, I will be painting a laundry room for a client of mine. The color she selected, we'll discuss that a little later in the video. However, I need for you out there to click the subscribe button below and press the bell for notifications. And if you have any questions, you just want to say hi, please scroll down to leave a comment in the comment section. And please share this video along with my other videos. And I just want to thank everyone for their continuous support through this journey of mine. I just thank you so much. A lot of hugs for you guys and kisses for you guys. Anyhow, let's get it. Okay guys, we are going to be painting, well, I'm going to be painting the inside of my client's laundry space. I will share that space with you in a moment. I just want to go over the type of paint I'm using. I am using once again the Valspar, but this time the Ultra stain resistant paint and primer because I'm doing this in the laundry area. It's a great quality paint. It is everyday washable, so if there's any splashes of detergent or liquid detergent or any other spills on the walls, it can be wiped right off and it doesn't leave any stains or anything. This color that she selected is a beer color. However, I had it mixed at Lowe's. It is Russian olive, and it should coordinate well with her floor. She has like grayish blue towels. They're grayish blue and white towel. It has a design in the towel, but however, this olive green should coordinate very well with the floor selection. Anyhow, I'm going to show you guys the color, how this color looks. It is a very beautiful color. Definitely a beautiful color. I love it. That is the color. I hope it's showing up good on the camera. This is the color of her choice. Stir it up a little bit. Yes, and this is also an egg shell finish. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna get on in here and begin with the first coat. Okay guys, this is the inside of the laundry space. So we have this little wall here. It's not so big. Good size laundry room. And this wall over here. Okay, and these are the floors that you take a peek at. I'm gonna have you take a peek at the floors. These are the floors. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. So we'll see how the two colors coordinate. I think it's going to look absolutely stunning. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Or what color would you have gone with if this was your project in your home? Please leave a comment below and don't forget to like the video. Okay guys, I'm done with the laundry space. This is the floor, which is a beautiful grayish blue tone tile with some white in it. And it plays off of this white 5-inch baseboard, and it moves on up to this beautiful Russian olive green color. Once again, this color is from Beer. However, I got this paint mixed at Lowe's. This is final results.